Welcome back. Now in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can get your link for all your social media pages. Okay, so we are going to start with WhatsApp, the regular WhatsApp. Now this one, I have prepared a video tutorial on how you can get the link, customize it, and even brand it with your brand name. All right, so I have actually shown you that. Now let me show you my own brand link is this. My own customized WhatsApp link is this. So if anyone clicks on it, there is a default message that I have actually crafted. So when you click on it, this is going to take them to my page with this particular message. Hello, this smart. I would like to know more about your offer. My name is. So that will prompt them to put their name, and then they can now submit. Okay, so they will put their name, let's say John, and then they will click on submit. So that way I will receive it, and of course we have actually started, engaging each other already. So I'm going to leave you with a link to that video on how you can customize your link, and it may even reflect your brand name. All right, so that's about that. Now the second one is the business WhatsApp link. Now how do I get the business WhatsApp link? So what you need to do is actually to click on this three dots. You click on this three dots, so which is the menu icon. You click on it. So when you click on it, you select business tools. Okay, you select business tools. Now when you do that, you have all of this. Now click on this three dot again, the menu, this menu, sorry, this menu icon here, the three dots. So click on it, and then you can now tap on the short link. So just tap on this short link. Okay, so it's going to bring you here. So what you now need to do is either to click on share link to share, or you can just long press the link. This link here, you can just long press it. Okay, when you long press it, it's going to copy. Okay, see now it has actually copied it, and then you can go and paste that link where you need it. So that is on WhatsApp Business. Now the other social media you are all may be interested in is Facebook. So let's go to Facebook. Now there are two here. We have Facebook profile, and then we have Facebook page. Now this is my Facebook profile. So how do I get a link on my Facebook profile? Now this one, the Facebook profile, is the one you use to engage your friends and families. Okay, so that is what we do on that one. All right, so now so how do we get the link for this one? Now you will come to this place, you tap on this icon here, so tap on it. Okay, so it's going to take you to this dashboard, and then you can now tap on this three icon, and then you have this, you can now tap on this copy link to profile. So you copy link, you see that link has been copied to your clipboard, and then you can go and paste it wherever you need it. Okay, so that's how to do this one. Now if I am not interested in Facebook profile, I'm actually interested in Facebook page. So now how do I get my Facebook page? I'll still click on this picture icon, then I'll come to this place and switch. Okay, I'll click here, switch profile. So I'll click on switch profile, then I'll select the Facebook page I want. So this smart concept, that's my Facebook page. Now it's going to take you here. So you repeat the same process you did for Facebook profile. So you just come here, tap on this picture icon. So it's going to take you to this Facebook page dashboard, and then the next thing is to click on this three icon here. So I'll click on three icon, and then you will find copy link to page, this one here. So you click on it, and then you will have copied that particular link, and then you can drop it wherever you want to use it. All right, so that's on that. Now let's say it is YouTube. Now you want to copy the link, so let's go to YouTube. Now this is my YouTube page. Okay, so I'll click on this. my YouTube icon. I'm going to click on this, my YouTube icon. So I'll click on it. Okay. Then I'll tap on this place. Tap on this place. Okay. So I'll just tap on this place. And then after that, I'll click on this. I'll click on this pencil-like icon. So I'll click on it. Okay. So then I will now look at this. So I'm going to tap on this copy icon. So I'll just tap on it and it's going to copy my link, my YouTube link. Okay, so that is about that one. Now, which one again? Okay, let's look at this time around. Let's look at Instagram. Okay, that's one we have left. So let's go and check Instagram. So we'll click on the Instagram icon and okay, this Instagram. So we'll click on it. Okay, now this is my Instagram page. So what do I do here? Now I will come to this place. I'll come to this place, tap on it. Okay, so it's going to take me here. Are we together? So that's what I'm going to do. It's going to take me here. Okay, so what I need to do is to now click on this place, share profile. So I'll click on share profile. So there are ways of sharing your link on Instagram. You can use the scan code. You can actually use this. Okay, you can use it, or you can click on this to share to whatever media you want to share it to. But we are not doing all of that. So what we want to do is to come to this place and tap on it to copy the link. So you can see link copied, and then you can now take it to where you want to use it. So this is how to actually copy links from all your social media handles. I hope this is helpful. Bye for now.